Hey everybody, it's Alex at Motoroso, and in this video we're going to be doing a step-by-step installation guide for full headlight assemblies on the 6th generation 21 and up Ford Bronco. It's an easy install, and these are the AlphaRex headlight assemblies. They look spectacular and they work even better. And we made a separate video about all the features and functionality in these lights. We'll put a link to that video right here. Now these of course are also available for purchase on Motoroso.com. We'll put a link to that in the description of the video. That'll take you over to Motoroso.com where you can reach us on live chat or call us toll free anytime at 833-MOTOROSO. Now let's dive into this install.
So we're going to start by first removing some OEM trim pieces. Start by removing all the pop clips holding the radiator cover in place, followed by the airbox duct scoop. Next, remove the 4 bolts securing the grille. Pull back on the grille to release the clips holding it in place, starting from the top. As you can see, it was tight with our winch and that made it a little more tricky, but with a little caution and a little persuasion, we were able to remove it no problem. Next, we need to remove the fender flares. Ford makes this super easy with their trick quick release levers. Unlock all the levers and pull out firmly to remove the fender flares. They sound like they're breaking, but they're just loud. We now have access to the bolt securing the lower painted trim piece. Remove this bolt and pull outward to release the pop clips holding it in place. Next, we'll need to remove the lower headlight assembly bolt. Now we couldn't fully remove the painted trim piece because of our winch, but you don't need to. It can be reached with a ratcheting box wrench. On top of the headlight, remove the main assembly bolt followed by the lower bolt. Next, remove the headlight assembly pop clip. Pull outward to release the headlight and disconnect the harness. Repeat this teardown process on the other side of your Bronco. Remove the fender, painted trim piece, and headlight assembly. Now we can install the AlphaRex headlights, but make sure to configure the color of the halo ring and DRL before you install. If you want to run all white DRLs, then you don't need to make any changes. They come preset in white. Alternatively, you can configure your lights in either all amber halo and white DRL bar, or white halo and amber DRL bar. To configure the DRLs, remove the 4 bolts of the control panel cover and pull them out carefully. There will be 2 sets of connectors that are loose. The further out connectors change the halo ring, and the further in connectors change the DRL bar. If you want all amber, connect both of the white connectors from the board and the inner connectors. For an amber halo and a white DRL bar, connect the 2 white connectors from the board, leaving the inner connectors disconnected. And for a white halo and amber DRL bar, connect the inner 2 white connectors, leaving the connectors from the board disconnected. Once you've set your DRL configuration, reinstall the control panel cover, but make sure not to over-tighten these screws. They are going into plastic and they could strip fairly easily. Now we can install the AlphaRex headlights. First, connect the wiring harness to the back of the assembly and then press the housing into place and reinstall the 3 headlight assembly bolts. Next, reattach the painted trim piece and press it back into place and reinstall that trim bolt. Then repeat these steps on the other side of your Bronco. Now you can reattach your fender flares by pressing them into place and relocking the quick release levers. Carefully reinstall your grille, pressing all sides and corners back into their corresponding pop clips. You'll hear them click when they reconnect. Reinstall the 4 grille bolts along the top of the grille. And lastly, reinstall your radiator cover and duct scoop and secure with the pop clips. Just like that, you're done with your installation.
All right, now if you'd like to purchase these AlphaRex headlights, we'll put a link to that right here. That'll take you over to Motoroso.com where you can reach us on live chat or call us toll free at 833-MOTOROSO. Now subscribe to our channel. As you can see, we've got lots of other great mods and lots of other great videos on our channel. And if you'd like more lighting upgrades, consider the Baja Designs A-pillar lights, which you can see right back there. Those are the XL 5x5s. We're gonna put a link to that video right here, take you all through the different lighting levels and the installation guide for those as well. Thanks for watching.